sourced, the water on the eastern seaboard is highly acidic, causing quick erosion of ships, combined with the rough weather and hurricane force winds. It is now advised to not eat fish products, drink, swim, and have any contact with the water. Any contact with the water can lead to the loss of life. Additionally, a power plant in an undisclosed location may be the determining factor for acidized water. This alert will go out in effect with the next report. The issue is now a national emergency. The number of lost ships has increased from 66 to 327 ships. The cause of loss of life is not from acidized water. We have speculated this from our most recent report, which goes into great detail describing the weather conditions. First it stops zero visibility, next road waves, and a power outage. The ship sinks in the fashion of A. Listing to capsize, B. The main structure breaks in half, and C.